Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to unfollow someone on Gmail using your Android device. If you want to take a break from notifications or stop interactions altogether, I'll guide you through the updated steps. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once it's launched, look for the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your chat conversations. Next, locate the conversation with the person you want to unfollow. Once you find it, tap and hold the conversation. A menu will pop up, giving you a few options to choose from. To mute notifications for this conversation, select Mute Notifications. This will ensure that you no longer receive alerts from that chat, giving you a little peace and quiet. If you want to stop all interactions with this person, you can block them. Open the conversation and tap on their name at the top of the chat. You'll see several options appear. From here, select Block and Report if you want to report them as well, or just block if you prefer not to report. Confirm your choice, and that's it. You've successfully unfollowed and possibly blocked someone on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.